Got it?
Goodness, God,
Now it's ready. Oh, tayo kayo. Okay? That's how you flip it. Okay?
Let's squelch the flower. Can me and Jan squelch the flower?
Yeah.
And me? The flower?
Put this. No.
Can I have a taste? No, it's not yummy. Taste yummy?
Wait lang. Okay. No, it's not yummy. Then I will put egg.
Crack it harder. Stir?
Yeah.
Okay, can I stir it?
Yeah, good.
And can I watch? Give
Hindi ganyan.
the
I will
yellow.
put milk. Wait. I will put milk.
Let's work it. It's gonna be too heavy now, okay? It's gonna be squishy and squishy.
Wait, I will put butter. Oh. Butter.
Oh my. Oh my. Crushed the
This is
butter.
butter.
I crushed it. Butter?
This
What
is
mean butter?
Butter. Yeah.
It is the butter.
Look, I will show, okay?
Can I
Make it like this,
stir?
okay? Okay, Jacob.
Can I have a?
I will add more milk. Look, Jacob. I will add more milk. Okay.
Daddy, can we watch? Daddy, look! Daddy,
Jacob,
look!
look. Okay.
Can I have a taste?
Let me stir more. And we add sugar.
Like and subscribe.
What is that, Jacob? Hindi
Coffee.
nakita ni Jacob eh. So you add sugar, I will put. Stop! Stop!
Stir.
Wait. Do something. Show it to Jacob.
Stir
Oh.
now.
Mm. Look, Jacob. Oh. Wow, I'll show it to Jacob. Ganito mag-stir lang. Eh. Look, Jacob. Oh. Look. See?
What's happening? Can I have a taste?
Ganito. Yeah.
Do we need to scrub it? Can I have a taste?
I have to make more of this.
To make it dough?
Not dough. I need to make liquid.
Liquid and squeeze with your hand?
This is pancake, di ba?
Can you have a taste?
I think I need to put more.
Can I have a taste?
Not yet. Let's make more flour para we can eat more. Oo, tama na. Wait, I will add.
Can I?
Oo, careful, baka matapon.
Oh. Daddy, can I have a taste? Can I have a taste?
Yeah, I will add more
Milk.
milk.
It's good. Look.
Wag, sige
Daddy, I
lang.
have a taste.
Yeah.
Daddy, I have a taste already.
Yeah.
It already smells like pancake.
Are you stir slowly?
Okay.
Check ko lang kung niluluto.
Sorry.
Slowly, I told you, slowly. What did you do?
Ian is gonna eat.
What did you do?
He wants to eat.
Oh, ba't mo nilagay sa kanya? Hindi pala, yan. Prince, you need to hold this one. Okay na, it's almost done na.
Daddy,
Okay.
can I have a taste?
I need to add.
I need Can I have a taste?
Need to add some sugar. I will add this one. Okay. Look, Jacob. Wow, yum yum.
What
This
is
yummy.
that?
Okay. You know what is this?
No.
No, try.
Banana?
Try. This is so yummy.
Can I? Tastes so good.
This is so
It's-
good. Boy.
I can taste.
Oh, wait. This will. Oh, Kian, no, stop. We need to cook yan para maging yummy. This is the secret ingredients, okay?
Butter?
Oh, ah, okay na. Wait, I will stir and we'll start to cook. You need to wash your hands, Kian. Okay, we can start to cook now.
Good? Is it good?
You put this, everything. Oh my God. Yes, Jacob. Okay, we can start to cook.
Can you have a taste? Can I have a taste?
Okay, let's start to cook. Okay, what we will put?
You have to put butter when you're nearly done.
Okay. Look, Ken.
What? And when
Huwag
it's
masyadong
nearly,
malapit.
what do you call that? When it's nearly melted,
Yeah.
just put the pancake in and there. That's the end.
Okay. And we will put the pancake. Okay. Set it up.
Oh! I hope this one doesn't break.
I'll make it big.
Daddy, can you have a taste? Can you have a taste?
Not yet, ah. Okay. Huwag masyadong malapit, pre. Baka hati ka. Baby, go.
Mercy!
Oh.
It's gonna burn you.
Yeah.
No, I'm not near. Look, I'm just here. I'm just here.
Wait natin yung...
It's getting bigger.
Don't taste it. Oh.
I want honey.
Baka nga.
Aww.
Yo.
I don't like the bite of it.
Sabi.
Is mommy coming?
Hot.
Does it taste good?
Huh?
It doesn't taste good without honey.
Mamaya, mas libya. Okay? Wait, let's go. See? Look. Give me help.
Burn it. What's cutting a hole?
Huwag yung malapit yung face mo. Look. And then, yung sa brown.
Look, it'll not burn. Look. Yay! Why do we need that again? Why do we need that again?
Look. See? When this one, like this, it means it's ready. We will flip.
Wow! It didn't make any hole. Oh, it's going up again. It's going up.
This is like volcano. Put some...
Ow! It's going up. It's going up. Kim, do you know how is it going up? Yeah. Daddy, how is it going up?
Fresh.
Because there's too much fire under it.
Yeah.
Projecting down.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going up. Again,
Let's see. Ooh.
It popped out. And pop up. Do you squeeze it? How does it still go up?
Will not go up ng pag-mapit.
Mama, it's going up. Why is it still going?
Hot?
I
Cool.
guess it Daddy, I'm right here. I'm not too loud. me spit it out.
Kasi mahal. Hindi na yan.
Daddy, look.
Look.
Mama, mommy.
We will... Okay?
How did you do that?
Got it?
It's going up
Ready.
again. It's going up again.
Now we will put here. Okay. Again, we need to put more butter.
I'll do it. Daddy.
Yes. Butter. Lower the fire. Wait lang yan.
Why?
Lalagyan pa natin ng ano yan. Mababurn yung butter eh. See? Nawawala yung butter.
More pancake.
Yeah.
See?
Three. Melt the butter. Lower the fire. Para next time you know how to cook na. Okay? Okay? And then again, we put
The big.
Kian, look. Kian, come here.
Make another bigger one.
Mm.
That's how big the pancake can be.
I will, this one for you, one for Kuya Prince,
And one for
Daddy,
mommy.
one for mommy, and let's mix it up. Careful. Huwag ka magsisit dyan, huwag ka magsisit. Water lang si Nico. Prince, huwag kang magsisit dyan, please. Tama na, huwag na tayo mag-video.
I want a video.
You're not listening.
I am.
Stop, Kian.
Daddy, no, I'm making it good. Not good. Can I have the boat? No, this is the airplane boat.
Okay. Hot again.
We're getting upper. We're getting bigger. Okay.
Oh, doon na, mag-play na kayo. Pag di nyo na mag-watch na.
Huh?
Pag di na mag-watch, doon na. You
I
want cook or what?
Can we watch? Can we watch this?
Akala ko you want to eat.
We'll eat after when you
Akala
call
ko you
us.
want to take a video.
Daddy, no, when this is finished, call us.
No. I need to learn how to cook. I need to put this.
Honey?
Hmm?
Why no? You put it over. Cut it over.
No, friend.
Cut it off. Okay, there.
Let's see.
Put it.
Wag, Prince, please. Let's see pag cook na. Dito. Yay! Jacob, yay!
Done?
Almost.
Oh, the bump. It's getting holes all over it.
Wala mo happy.
It's broke. Oh, it did it
Pag
again.
very sa, ano na, bubble. We check first pag sa. See? It's almost na, okay? Now we need to flip. Oh, tayo kayo. Okay? That's how you flip it. Okay?
Okay.
You want to try?
Yeah?
Who wants to try?
Me. Can is too small.
Baka matapon yung food.
I will not tap on
Try, Prince.
Huh?
Flip.
Daddy, can you help with me? Can you help me to do a
No,
flip?
it's cooked na. Mamaya, ipiflip natin yung small.
Daddy, me, I want to flip.
see if it's cooked already. Okay, look.
How we just flip it again?
It's good. Okay, we can eat na.
Yay!
Tayo mag-eat.
Bye! Like and subscribe. This is our end of our video. Yeah, bye! Press the notification bell.
Just one more. Then I will take slice. Try it, please.
Honey!
I put already. Can you sing?
Good.